Okay. Namaste. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Yoga Moves MS Holistic Health and Wellness Forum. Yay. Thank you to everyone who is here in person, and thank you to everyone who's online virtually. We're so excited to connect together, really, from around the world. So we're thrilled to have you here, whether you're in person or virtually. This is going to be a time of learning, connection, empowerment, and healing. At Yoga Moves MS, our mission is to support those living with multiple sclerosis and similar conditions through accessible movement, community support, and comprehensive wellness. This forum brings together medical professionals, advocates, and people with expertise to explore the whole person, holistically, mind, body, and soul. Each speaker today brings a different lens, clinical knowledge, experience, and wisdom. They are all here for one reason: to support you. Whether you're newly diagnosed, have lived with MS for years, or a caregiver or an ally, this forum is about building tools and community to navigate MS in all its complexity. So take a deep breath. Let's do it together. Take an inhale through the nose and exhale and let it go. Yep, feel yourself in your seats. Get grounded, settle in, get comfortable, and allow yourself to receive everything this day has to offer. And now it is my pleasure and honor to introduce to you Dr. Martin Belkin. Come on up. You're getting a huge applause. Dr. Belkin is on our board of directors for Yoga Moves MS. We are so fortunate to have him. He also leads the Michigan Institute of Neurological Disorders, the MS Center. He's quite a leader in our community, and we're so fortunate to have him.
Great. Thanks, Mindy. And thanks, everyone, for coming. I want to welcome everyone to this Holistic Health and Wellness seminar. This is really such a unique forum. You don't get too many opportunities where someone with Mindy and her team can organize a set of lectures that really focus on wellness. There's plenty of talks, plenty of information out there in terms of treatments for MS, talking about pharmaceuticals, medications, which is critically important and something that's essential, and the research and everything that's come along has been tremendous. But there's so much more to treatment of patients with MS, and that includes everything wellness, whether it's talking about diet, exercise, therapy, and then talking about yoga. And yoga is so critically important for those who do yoga. The fact that it helps with mindfulness, helps with flexibility, helps with strength, helps with muscle tone. And so really just improves the quality of life with patients with MS. So initially, we're going to start with a patient video so you can hear their stories and what Yoga Moves MS has done for them.
Yoga Moves MS has somehow triggered something in me to care for myself even better.
I remember when I first started, I remember asking Mindy and the other classmates, how often do I have to do this yoga stuff? And one of the classmates said, every day.
Meeting once a week and having something to look forward to that's fun and accepting and energetic and compassionate. I look forward to it every week. This is like being on a team and going and seeing friends once a week.
The days that am practicing yoga, that evening, it carries through to the afternoon, to the evening, and to night, to sleep. I'm amazed at how everybody is understanding of each other. It's like meeting a group of friends.
Being in a place where we're not judging each other is fantastic, but I've had to actually come and learn through this class how to not judge myself.
I fell down the stairs, about 15 stairs, hitting my tailbone on each one when I was 11. That really mixed up everything as far as the lower body. Dancing, even though many times it was painful, kept me going. As long as you kept moving and kept going, it was fine.
I take it one step at a time. To come to yoga, Mindy and the rest of the group has taught me how to do things of that nature and just how to be very mindful.
It's another assistance, another guidance, another way to see the light again and not fall back into darkness. It's a jovial class.
Their strength, their determination, their wanting to help themselves, to feel better, that's what you find in a Yoga Moves student. You can see the light in our students' eyes, and you can feel it when you're around them.
You see other people struggling and getting ahead or gaining things they have lost, which is a miracle.
Seeing other success stories. We saw success stories today in class, and it was fantastic. And we see them every week. And even just today now, able to stand here in class, I surprised myself, and it was almost emotional knowing that my legs were underneath me. I'm not taking steps, but I'm able to actually stand, which I was unable to do 6 months ago.
Yoga has also helped me to live a stress-free life. I try to laugh as much as possible. I try to go as much as possible. I try to do as much as possible.
What is different about these classes is that they do take more resources to bring this class to the community. We have multiple teachers in a small group setting. And I'm so grateful for all that have been able to support the classes, our sponsors, our donors, our volunteers.
We are so grateful. And I have to say, for anybody that has any kind of neurodegenerative, any accident, come back to yoga. This Yoga Moves is the answer.
If I see anybody that look like they have multiple sclerosis, I tell them about Yoga Moves.
It's for all people with any ability, whether you can walk and stand, or if you're in a wheelchair. Every class has something that you can take with you.
You will stop losing mobility and flexibility.
Since we're on a fixed income, this wouldn't be available to a person of my status financially without the generosity of the people that support this movement. And for this, I am eternally thankful. And I feel it's a privilege to have an association with any one of the instructors. It's a blessing to find it. And I would tell somebody who's resistant the way I was that this is a no pain environment, and it's spiritual in its complexity and its integrity.
It opens up again your eyes so you don't close yourself in.
Given the resources that it takes to provide these classes with multiple teachers, anywhere from 3 to 5 teachers per class, we need support. We need support from our sponsors, our donors. We just couldn't do it without the support.
I'm not going to give up on things. MS may have taken my legs out, but I still have beautiful things to look forward to.
I am here to fight.
The quality of the instructors is absolutely amazing. The acceptance is unconditional. That means a lot. And that's what was missing in my life. I now have a lifeline and motivation to continue and to bring out the best in myself.
All right, so great video, and I think it just highlights what Yoga Moves MS does for people. So anyone here who has not engaged with Yoga Moves or tried out a class, or anyone online, encourage everyone to just try it out. I think you'll realize what a difference it makes in your life. So next, it's an honor to be able to formally introduce Mindy Eisenberg. She founded Yoga Moves MS 20 years ago. She's truly become a leader in the MS community, nationwide. She has really brought yoga to the forefront for the MS community, again, across the country. And then, bringing health and holistic wellness to the forefront as well. Again, it's so important to focus holistically on the patient, and when you have a disorder such as MS, to look at everything else that we're going to talk about tonight and that we've talked about at some of these other seminars. So it's so critically important. So really want to thank Mindy for all she's done for everyone with MS and the team she's built. It's truly amazing.